Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a mani with the Sparkle & Co. November subcolors. I'm doing a collab with my nail friends, and here's the colors that I'll be using. Blush Crush, I'll be using Glam Vibes Only, the I Want It All color, which is Shimmer is my love language, and then this really pretty rose gold glitter called All That Glitters. And so I've already done my right hand and I am doing my left hand to show you. I'm using my Vividip liquids, and I also have Vividip peel base on. And then on my nails before the Vividip peel base is tips, well, what's left of them. I filed them down pretty far, and builder gel. And then I've been filling in the builder gel with dip powder, because my idea is that by the time the builder gel is grown out, my nails will grow out, and then I can just soak off the dip powder that's on my nails, because the builder gel is kind of hard. So this first color, Blush Crush, it is so pretty. I can't wait to do a full mani with this color. It's just gorgeous. And I decided to do a 4-color mani because I just was obsessed with all of the colors in this sub bag. So this first, my pointer finger, I'm doing Blush Crush on the bottom, and then I realized, oh, I didn't have enough coverage on the sides, so I did another dip of that, and then you'll see me ombre with the glitter. And the glitter is called All That Glitters. It's so pretty, and it was pretty easy to work with. So you'll see that. And while you're watching me do that, I will give a shout out to Omneya from Omneya's Wish. She wanted to collab with Kayla and I, and we all get the I Want It All sub bag from Sparkle & Co. And we're all really excited for this month's. You can actually see me unbox that in my videos. I'll link that in the cards if you want to take a look at everything that came in that sub bag. But we were all very excited. This one is just gorgeous. It's a lot of like rose gold and golds. So Omneya reached out to Kayla and I, and she wanted to do a collab. So we were like, absolutely, we love to collab with our nail friends. So you can check out Omneya's Wish and get a view of her mani and what she did, and then the same thing for Kayla, and Kayla's at Totally Kayla. So I will have a playlist set up so you can watch all of our manis together. So what I'm doing here is I'm just pulling some glitters that were at the top of my nail down a little bit farther towards the base of my nail, towards my cuticle, so I can get more of that ombre look. And I really loved the dry time on these liquids because it allowed me to just place those glitters exactly where I wanted them to be. So then this next color, this color is stunning. It's really pretty. It is like a really fine rose gold, and I put this color on my thumb and on my pinky, and then I do a little color blocking on my ring finger with some flaky placement. In this sub bag, they also included some rose gold flakies, so I will be using those, so you'll see that. I'm gonna let you watch me finish up this mani, and then I'll be back when I have a little bit more to say. In the meantime, I'm excited that I'm doing this collab with my nail friends. If you haven't watched Omneya's Wish channel, she's so funny. She cracks me up. Her videos are just so, like, she's just blunt and to the point, and it's refreshing. It's awesome. So you definitely want to watch her. And then Totally Kayla, obviously my nail bestie. She's full of heart. She's the sweetest person, and she does really amazing nails, so you definitely want to check her out. So I'll let you finish watching me do this, and I'll be back. So I'm back. I filed and buffed off camera, and now I'm ready for some top coat. I'll be using my Vividip top coat today, and I really love it. It's very shiny and pretty. Question, do you ever do your dominant hand with your non-dominant hand and that hand turns out better than the hand you did with your dominant hand? Because same, that happens to me all the time. I swear, all these manis that I've been doing lately, my right hand, which is my dominant hand, looks better than my left hand. It's really weird. Anywho, I will post pictures. It's probably only noticeable to me, really, so you can see. And I will be doing some cuticle oil. I just wanted to take this time as you watch me finish up this really pretty 4-color mani to say thank you for watching. I hope that you made it this far, and please check out my friends. I really appreciate your support, and have a great day.